So let me tell you the story of today. What's up people? So I know it's been a month since I've uploaded a video. I don't even know when this one is going to come out. I had an hour to come and record this video because I've been busy working on a lot of projects, weddings, photo shoots, corporate work, guest houses in the last month, so it was difficult for me to upload any videos or edit any videos, but I'm recording this now. Hopefully I'll edit this week as well. Anyway, let me tell you the story, what happened lately. Went on one wedding. It rained a lot. Hi, yes, it's me again. Today we are at Uniondale Guest Farm. It's not in Uniondale in the Cape. It's near Bethlehem in the Eastern Free State. That is where we are. Anyway, so we just arrived here a few minutes ago. We're just doing some location scouting, and look at this view. It's beautiful. Yeah, that's the update right now. Me and my son packed up the drones and we went to the old train station just outside of town to fly a little FPV drone. This place breaks drones. I've broken a lot of drones and GoPros before at this specific spot, but I went back because I miss flying for fun. Yeah. And yeah, here's my son flying the little FPV drone and enjoying some flying as well. So the wedding is a few hours drive away from Henneman, which is our hometown. It's between Senekal and Bethlehem. It's a small town named Polru. So the wedding venue. Okay, so usually after a wedding we drive back if it's not that far from home. And this was not that far from home. But at this wedding something prevented us to stay there the night and only come back the next morning. We then started with the pictures of the groom. We know it was an overcast day and rain was bound to happen sometime, but yeah, we didn't know it was going to be constant. It actually started to rain while the ceremony was busy, and then we had to move under the roof. Move under the roof. Yes. Here is a few photos that you can look at while I prepare to tell you about the rest of the story. So we then started with a reception and it was still raining. Yes, it's my script, otherwise I forget what I want to say. So this is where we ran into a problem. The road that goes to the venue goes through mountains and hills and low water bridges. So the food was supposed to be delivered from another town, but they couldn't go through because the low water bridges were overflowing and it was bad. Yeah, here's a video how it looked. One of the guests at the wedding had to walk through this water in order to get the food to be delivered at the venue, and the cars can't go through because the cars will spoel weg, you know, it's like spill away. Yes, spill away. Where's my script?
Okay. Beautiful.
So after the wedding we'd usually drive back, but we couldn't because the low water bridges were overflowing and my car will not make it through the water. So what happened? We had to stay at the wedding. Yes, I'm gonna get in the car now. I'm gonna tell you the end of the story. Yes. So the bride and the groom were so accommodating. Brittany and Michael, thank you so much for organizing everything at the venue. They sorted out accommodation and everything for us. That next morning, yeah, we packed up and we started to head home. And the low water bridges were better. Yes, there was still some water. Here's a small video for you. Morning. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the images and the little flying drone, and yeah, please subscribe and all that other stuff. See you next time. Bye. So the venue was named. Yes. If it's absolutely necessary, yes. If it's absolutely necessary, what we use is also a little, look at my hand doing this at the cap. Yes, it's going. Do you understand? It's fine. It was fine when we went through. It was fine when we were on the story after the focus.